Welcome back to another episode of What's in the Box. I'm Yunier, and today we're featuring a new product. This is the Z1 Brake Master Cylinder Brace for the Infiniti Q50 and Q60. Before we get into the box, let's take a look at a master cylinder we have here with us. So if you guys are familiar with a brake master cylinder, it is attached to the firewall using these two bolt holes here. When you apply pressure to the brake pedal, it likes to flex thanks to the thin firewall, and that's where this product here comes in. If you guys are familiar with their Z1 stainless steel brake lines, you already know rubber lines like to expand and therefore they result in loss of energy. The flex of the firewall is the same concept, which is why we designed this product to give you a better driving experience. All right guys, let's go ahead and get in the box and see what we have. And first impressions, this thing is pretty beefy. It's made out of cast stainless steel for durability and superior strength. Two of the feet are padded for paint protection, and all three of the legs are fully adjustable for precise fitment and performance. This specific unit is for the Infiniti Q50 and Q60, equipped with a 3.0T VR30. But if you happen not to own one of those, we do offer other brake master cylinder braces for other platforms. If you happen to want to check them out, head over to our website, z1motorsports.com. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's episode. Please feel free to like, share, subscribe, and make sure to comment below on what product you guys would like to see on next episode. Thank you.